Hola! Today we're gonna learn about expressions with tener. First, let's just do a review of the verb tener. Tener means to have, and is an irregular verb in Spanish. As you can see, all the forms of the verb tener, yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, ella, usted tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos tienen, o ustedes tienen. And you can see that there are some different things from other regular verbs. First, tengo, it's a go verb, so the first person singular uses go instead of being teno, is tengo. And then there is another thing that you might know them as steam changing, cambian la raíz, and so second person singular, third person singular, and third person plural, they have tienes instead of tenes. Tiene instead of tene. So just remember this. So when do we use tener? We use tener to indicate possession, describe a person's physical trait or the age, cuántos años tienes, for example, and to express obligation. Let me give you a few examples. Yo tengo X años. Por ejemplo, yo tengo 35 años. Yo tengo 40 años. Yo tengo 15 años. We can also use to express possession. So, mi familia, nosotros, tenemos un perrito. Se llama Margo. And now, something new. There are a series of expressions with tener to describe states of being or sensations. In English, you will usually use to be. For example, los estudiantes tienen frío. Iowa, it's very cold, so los estudiantes tienen frío. And here I'm going to show you a list of expressions. You can download the PDF for the video and learn them or pause the video. There are a lot, so let's go one at a time. Tener hambre, to be hungry. Tener sed, to be thirsty. Tener frío, to be cold. Tener calor, to be hot. Tener sueño, to be tired. Tener miedo, to be afraid. Tener prisa, to be in a hurry. Tener razón, to be right. Tener cuidado, to be careful. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to pause the video and repeat them. And after that, I'm going to show you a few examples. Siempre tengo hambre por las mañanas. I'm always hungry in the mornings. Hay que tener cuidado porque la comida es picante. You have to be careful because the food is spicy. Tenemos frío en nuestro salón de clase. We are cold in our classroom. And last one, ¿quién tiene sed? Who is thirsty? And then I'm going to give water bottles to everyone. Adios!